Hi friends, good afternoon. आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया. This is Saturday, so you know there are a lot of things that needs to be done on Saturday. I'm not bragging, but there needs to be a lot of things that needs to be done on Saturday. Okay, let's get ahead with this uh, newspaper reading session today. Today is what is the date today? 10th of July 2021. First page, it says that Shirisha Bandla, she is one of the astronauts who will be going on outer orbit on the space. She is code named as astronaut 004. She will be the second Indian origin female candidate to reach space. The first was Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was mostly originated from state of Gujarat, whereas Shirisha Banda, she is from Telangana. Though she was born and brought up there in US, I guess. Yes. Okay, UP plans a special SOP for those with one child. There are some states in our country who are trying to curb on the population. Mm. I know people might feel that this can be a political move against some of the minorities communities, but there was a time when the population control was a need, and I guess at this point as well, because India is population bursting. But again, a few days back, there was an article suggesting that we should not be restricting our people on new birth, because the workhorse, or what rather you say, the working people, when we say working people, it is usually mostly from 20 years to 45 years of age. So let's say if we curb on our birth rate, then usually the people who are old, the population of those kind of people gets increased, who are basically uh, on in the terms of retirement, and they cannot contribute to the economy. I would not say in the bad word that they cannot contribute, but usually they cannot go ahead with the hardship works, and they cannot in that way contribute. Usually every country considers their young generation as their economic runner. As you can see that these days Japan is also lagging behind, because their older population are much more than the younger population, and because of that also they have came into an agreement from India that they will be taking labors from here for some of these specific skill set, like your electricians, like construction workers, and all those kind of. There are few objective on which they have decided that they will take people from India to cater their needs, because their old generation cannot do. And there are some other countries as well who are facing this kind of problem, where the most of the population are getting older. So yeah, there is always a two phase in this. How do you want to balance your population plus your working population, blah blah blah. ODI series delay over COVID outbreak. India Russia talks Afghanistan stability. Afghanistan is a place or a country for India. It is very difficult, because Afghanistan is always a good ally for India, but the situation is so bad that we cannot directly intervene, not against Taliban, not against the government. We cannot go with the Taliban, or we cannot go with the government, because we don't know who will be governing Afghanistan tomorrow. Because as far as I know, US has gone into some kind of pact with Afghanistan, because they were having some rounds of talk. So there might be a case that they have come into agreement that Taliban will forcefully take over the Afghanistan government. I'm not claiming it, but that might be the case. So I think yesterday Afghanistan Taliban has already confirmed that they have already taken over 85% of the cities in Afghanistan. There are some places only which is now in Afghanistan government's rule. So yeah, that's a very difficult area at this present time. And whenever there is an rule of a power, it is always difficult, because rule of power always says if I'm powerful, I can do anything. And rule of law says it doesn't matter you are powerful or not, law applies for everyone. So we should always look for the places where the rule of law is available. In the first such case in India, there is a citizen case against a Chhattisgarh additional DGP. DGP means Deputy General of Police. So it's quite a huge rank in as an IPS officer. This is the first case of any IPS officer getting citizen case after ACB. I think Anti Crime Bureau. What is this? Anti-Corruption Bureau. So a few days back, Anti-Corruption Bureau had a raid on his house. The name of the police officer is GP Singh. He was a 1994 batch IPS officer, and based on the raid, there was some document which is recovered. That's what it is saying. I'm not claiming it. Based on the document which is received on that raid, they are saying that this can be an again, there are some IPC section which has been invoked, that is section 124A for sedation and 153A for promoting enmity. So you might also have seen that there are some discussion going on with these kind of clauses of our IPC, whether this should be there, this should not be there. Government point to UK, Russia. Government points to UK, Russia, want don't drop cards. There are few countries in the world who have already started saying that people all around the world, they can travel with the vaccination done. If the vaccination is done, they can travel. Maybe because the tourism grabs a lot of economy. So yeah, but government has suggested that we should not drop our guard because the pandemic is not yet over. Viral tourist videos spur crowd finds. Manali, Mussoorie, after photo of maskless tourists thronging hill station in Himachal Pradesh and neighboring Uttarakhand went viral. Online authorities in both states rolled out new COVID-related restriction on Friday, while Kullu police announced that those flouting norms would be fined Rs 5,000 or sent to jail for 8 days. The Mussoorie administration had made a COVID negative report mandatory for those entering the town and restricted the number of tourists allowed in the major attraction of Kampte Falls to 150 at a given point of time. This comes just a day after PM Modi expressed concern over the brazen disregard of COVID norms by people at tourist destinations and other places. The Mussoorie District Administration as well as Nainital District Administration have now ordered that only those registered on the Smart City portal and carrying a COVID negative report along with valid hotel booking would be allowed to enter the town. Mumbai hospitals see rise in routine procedure. India global travel should be based on the test, not jab. Yes, definitely. Because if somebody has taken a jab means usually we are talking about the medicine. अगर हमने दवाइयाँ ले ली है, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि we cannot carry the COVID virus. We can still be carrying the COVID virus. So, yeah, jab is very necessary, but on top of that, we should also do the COVID test so that we do not carry. Probably we immune ourselves, but we might also be a carrier. So, yeah, testing is also very necessary. Must encourage people to take private sector shots, Paul. Okay, I do not want to read out this at all. This is very sensitive. But I would definitely like to urge people who have capability to take the vaccine. I think at max it takes 2,000 rupees in India for both the shots. If you are capable of taking the shots with no other hesitation or no other कोई भी अपने चीज़ों को मतलब हटाए बिना अगर आप कर पाते हैं तो vaccinate yourself, because vaccinating is very much necessary. I know government, you might be waiting on government, maybe government is waiting on God, I don't know. Kerala on Zika alert. Zika virus again entered India. So, Kerala is on high alert on that. WhatsApp link says privacy policy on hold. Okay. So on yesterday, WhatsApp has said that whatever the privacy policy they had, they have stopped it for now, and it will only be applicable based on whatever policy our Indian government makes on the data protection. In different part of the world there are different data protection norms. US do not allow PII data, and they classify themselves as sensitive data, or personally identifiable information are highly sensitive. What is personally identifiable information? This is for the people of India. Personally identifiable information, personally identifiable information, these are those information by which someone can identify you uniquely. Okay, let's say somebody asks about the village where you stay, it's not personally identifiable. On that village there are hundreds of people living. But if somebody asks your phone number is something which is uniquely identified. Aadhaar card, PAN card, ration card, or your voter ID card, or any such card is you be called as your personally, your bank account number, that's your personally, your full address, your email address, those all things will be considered as your personally identifiable information, and which might be used usually in some kind of fraud. Okay. The most stringent I think is GDPR, that is used in most part of the Europe. I don't know the full form of GDPR, but yeah. City private hospital run low on vaccine, saw 2 shots drive. Kerala High Court shield newscaster from coercive action under IT rule. In a setback for centre, the Kerala High Court on Friday restrained the union government from taking any coercive action against member of News Broadcaster Association under its new IT rule. Justice P.B. Suresh Kumar issued the stay along with the notice to the centre on the NBA's plea challenging the rule on the ground that they grant excessive power to the government to unreasonably restrict freedom of speech and expression of media. We already talked about freedom of speech and the power behind it, and the difference between how freedom of speech and your responsibility comes. Those we have already talked about yesterday. So yeah. High Court lifts stay on teacher hiring. Kolkata High Court on Friday vacated its stay on the recruitment of upper primary teacher after the West Bengal Central School Service Commission published a new interview list with breakup of marks and giving reason why a candidate don't figure on the list. Oh my god. FIR on 2018 death of Suvendu Gad. An FIR of murder and criminal conspiracy against unknown miscreants have been filed by the West Midnapur police on the complaint by the widow of cop Subrata Chakraborty, who died of a gunshot injury in October 2018 while he was employed as a security guard of Suvendu Adhikari. Get O2 generation infra ready fast. PM2 offices. Stay on guard. Government point to Russia, UK. CBI probe into fake backs case not needed now. High Court. Haryana school open on July 16. That's a good news. The Haryana government on Friday announced reopening of school for class 9 to 12 from July 16, saying student will be allowed to join with the permission of parents. Student of class 6 to 8 will also be able to attend school from July 23. School comes on camel for Barmer village kids. The principal and teacher of the government school in Bhimtal, Barmer head out to reach. That's a good outreach program. I am Kolkata parity blow as fewer women makes cut. The admission of fewer women in Indian Institute of Management Kolkata this year has come as a blow of the Premier B School attempt to strive towards gender parity in its flagship 2-year MBA program, whereas 35% of the 2022 uh, batch where women, the ratio has been dropped to 31% in 2021-23 batch, the same level as 4 years ago. The ratio of women at the institute was barely 16.6%. The IM have been continuously aiming to achieve gender parity and encourage more women students to join the institute. This dip in number this year is disheartening. We hope that more women make the cut into IMC next year, said the faculty member. Oh, that's a nice card. Skoda simply clever. Clever. Supply hurdle hits KMC's second dose vaccination drive. Vax allotment for 50 to 100 at each clinic. Dip in cases easing of curve. Boost footfall at airport. Durga Puja Forum proposes vax for organizer. God only help them. Hospital wait for new vax system to take off. Everybody is waiting. Dip in cases easing of curve boosts footfall in Kolkata airport. CISCE announces syllabus slash. The Council of Indian School Certificate Examination announced syllabus reduction for 15 ICSE 12 ISC subject on Friday evening. The revised syllabus has been posted on the council website. An alert have been sent to school principals so they can inform teacher to immediately ring in the changes for the 2022 examination. School heads have called meeting with subject head of on Monday to discuss the changes and how to factor them in. The syllabus of English and Indian languages had been reduced earlier. 70-year-old hangs self due to debt. We are already 70 years. Man kills self. 7 C zone. C zone means micro containment zone in Salt Lake. 16 on city southern fringes. Illegal shuttle step in against 70 vehicles. Dead fish raise concern. Hundreds of dead fish were spotted at the water body of Salt Lake Central Park recently, sparking green concern. While senior forest department official managing the park could not be reached for the comment, source revealed that hyacinth, which could not be cleaned due to the ongoing pandemic situation in the last 1.5 years, has clogged the water body spread over almost 3-4 acre, triggering the fish death. Anurag Danda of Observer Research Foundation said this is a matter of concern. Perhaps the recent rainwater has reached the lake, flowing over contaminated land and thus took toxic material to the water body. So proper test to find out the water quality is needed. Catholic nun dies at 106. Homeopath pass away. Homeopath passes away. What kind of? Durga Puja Forum proposes vaccine for organizers. Scale down celebration. 63-year-old to return home after 61 days of life support. ICAMI grad land job with 43% higher pay than last year. Okay, corporates who took interview so far 50. Student who have secured job 500. Average CTC offered 10 lakh per annum. Highest CTC offered 22 lakhs per annum. Okay, companies who's hiring: PSU, GAIL, NBCC, EIL, REC, Mazgaon Dock, Power Grid, ITDC, Ircon, HSCC. MNC corporate: Accenture, Philips, Vedanta, ITC, ABB, CEAT, Apex, on lots of names. TCS, Beacon, Raymond. Banking and financial: Axis Bank, Kotak Bank. What is ICAMI? A bunch of final year cost and okay, these are CA and CS. Cost accountancy student from ICAMI have bagged record offer in the online campus placement drive this year. The average salary rise being 43% compared to the package last year. This despite the pandemic that had led to large scale pay cut, layoff, and frozen employment across industries. Okay, it is very good that people are getting hired. This is very necessary for the healthy society to go on, because money is something which floats around. When it floats around, it brings happiness, though there are darker side also, and people might want to argue with me on that part. But still, if I am earning something, and if my neighbor is not earning, that definitely will make them unhappy, and probably they will try to do something wrong. Not necessarily always, but if I am earning and they are also earning, it's always better. They are prosperous, we will be prospering, and probably will not be having enmity thinking in our mind, because we both will be trying to succeed in our life and achieve something more out of what we already have. 44 hour of sporting action to keep city glued to screen. Okay, so basically today is Argentina versus Brazil. Watch out for that match. It will be, hopefully it will be very good to watch. CBSE may pay surprise visit to school over marks. College unsure of finishing admission in 8 weeks. I already told you, like, it might not be possible. Vax demand by college head ahead of admission. High Court noticed CBI probe into fake vaccination. Water pouring through leaky new market roof caused global concern. Foreigner react on social media. Video or photograph of water pouring through the merely century and a half old year old iconic new market roof triggered concern, not from not just other part of the country but from across the globe. Jolted by the reaction, Kolkata Municipal Corporation, that owns the and manages the heritage market, said it had taken up the restoration of drainage line of the area, but engineers said the bigger problem was the leaky roof that would have to be carefully repaired and restored to ensure the market did not suffer the major damage. HC lift stay on teachers hiring, lens on fake council foreign trip. Kolkata, second organ donation in a week, two bodies found floating in Hooghly. Sundarban, COVID fight gets O2 boost. COVID impact on mask maker of Shirley Kella. Chow puts city documentary director in a fix. Rath is coming, right? Parambir